Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you Bengali style authentic pumpkin stem curry with potato. Pumpkin stem and leaves are rich in minerals, vitamin and antioxidant, boost your immune system. For preparing pumpkin stem curry, I took one big size sliced potato and one bowl pumpkin stem and some soft leaves also. Remove the thin layer of pumpkin stem and soak in water for 10 minutes. We need ingredient: black mustard seed, yellow mustard seed, coriander seed, cumin seed, black pepper seed, dried red chili, slitted green chili. In a grinder jar, add a teaspoon black mustard seed, 2 teaspoon yellow mustard seed, a teaspoon cumin seed, half a teaspoon coriander seed and a dry red chili, 8 to 10 black pepper seed. Add a teaspoon salt, then dry grind without mixing water. After half grinding, add little water and then blend into a smooth paste. You can keep for some time after adding water so that paste will become smooth. In tempering, we'll put methi dana and ginger masala. For preparing ginger masala, take a tablespoon water and mix a teaspoon turmeric powder and half-inch grated ginger into it. Mix well. Now I will show you how to cook in a hot kadai. Pour 2 tablespoons cooking oil. When oil is hot, quarter teaspoon methi dana, saute for 10 seconds. Then add previously prepared ginger masala, saute for 1 minute. Then add previously prepared mustard masala. Cook for 2 minutes on low heat until oil release from mustard masala. When the raw smell of masala will go, then add potato and pumpkin stem. Add salt according to your taste. We added salt earlier also. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on medium to low flame. Stir occasionally. You can fry potato earlier also, but if the pumpkin stems are fresh, then you can mix together. Add water. I put half a glass water. Now cook for 5 to 7 minutes on medium to high flame until potato becomes. Add some slitted green chili. You can skip green chili if you don't like spicy enough, because we added dried red chili and black pepper seed also. Mix well and cover for 4 to 5 minutes on medium to low flame. Check the potato, is it soft or not. If you like medium consistency, then you can turn off the flame now. But I will cook it for 2 minutes so that the masala will become dry. Turn off the flame and cover for 5 minutes before serving. Our authentic pumpkin stem curry with potato is ready for serving. Serve it with hot steamed rice. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.